अभी मैं अनुरोध करूंगा किशन जी को, वो आके हमारे समक्ष कुछ अपने दो बातें रखेंगे और हमारे समर्थन में आए हैं इतने दूर से, इसलिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए।
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee for giving us a wonderful chance to speak up for the against the issue of Chakmas and Hajongs communities back in Arunachal Pradesh. And it's a very unfortunate to acknowledge the fact that the residence certificate of two communities, Chakmas and Hajongs communities, were scrapped by the Arunachal Pradesh. So I am Kishan Yumnam, and I am a representative of Northeast Forum for International Solidarity, and which was actually it was first formed in Delhi back in 2013, and we have also different base in our, across the states in Northeast. We have our base in Manipur, Assam, and we have also in Tripura as well. So I would like to extend on behalf of NEFIS to the genuine concerns that and I would like to extend my solidarity to the Chakmas and Hajongs communities, and I would like to share the grievances that they are facing back in the Northeast. Actually, the NEFIS, the motto of NEFIS is that we feel that any sort of discrimination or oppression or any kind of inhuman injustice that is happening everywhere, we feel that it is a threat to justice everywhere. So, despite the fact that we might have differences, we have different cultures or language or anything, but we still have our common concerns that we all are humans, and we have these common issues of education, healthcare, basic amenities, and human rights. So this is the kind of issues that our communities from different backgrounds can come together and raise. Thank you for giving us a wonderful chance, and yeah, we are also planning to raise our protests in Delhi, in Manipur, and in Assam also, and we will stay in solidarity with the people of Chakmas and Hajongs until and unless our demands are not met. We will stand up to the end. We will stand till the death. So we will stand together with you. Long live our solidarity. Thank you all.
आमार चाकमा रिपोर्टर चैनल बन भेले लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करी दो और लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाते बेल आइकन नो हम कैसे दी दो।